rifle down. Put it down. He won't hurt me. See? What's his name?
Later.
What does that mean?
White Fang.
Can I pet you?
No.
Just wanted to pet him.
Dogs are for work.
Maybe they'd work a little harder if you were a little more friendly.
Not because we're friends.
I won't forget you.
Come on. Go get. Go on.
Damn, not that animal.
My truck.
No. Well, look what your wolf done to my dog here. You know it's illegal to bring wolves into town, don't you?
Here.
Not interested in furs, Chief, but I'll take that wolf off your hands. Don't you let me down. Get mad. Come on, get mad. Turn him up. Turn him up. Yeah. It's a pleasure taking your money, thanks. Easy, boy. You done good tonight. I brought you something extra. Now take it easy. Here you go. Just keep on hating me, Wolf.
Come on. Flip him over.
Come on, Wolf. Get up. Get up. Come on, Wolf. Get up and fight. Ah.
You're wasting your time.
He was tame once, you saw.
He's not anymore.
Don't give up on me, you hear?
Congratulations. You've got a healthy wolf on your hands. I'll unhook him. Look at him watching my hand.
Try without the whip. Untangle this. I don't know what they did to you, but everybody's not like that. Tell me you're not hungry. A little more? What are you gonna hurt you? Not so bad, not so bad. See? I told you he was intelligent. Let's go! Come on! Hey, buddy. All right. We gotta get going. Easy.
You know you can't take him with you. He'd be miserable in the city. He has to run free.
Take care of yourself, all right? You're free. Go on. Listen to me. Go! Go on! Go! Get out of here! Go on! Alex, I gotta tell you something. I'm gonna go back to the claim. So long. White Fang!